I do pretty good.
She looks like a baby walking with crying in shoes.
Hi, what you doing?
Kira, how old are you?
4.
4? 4.5?
No, 4.
You're
Oh.
4.5. Did you know that? That means you're halfway to 5.
How old is Miss Lainey Lou?
1.
Yeah,
She's 17 months.
yeah, almost 18 months. Today is June 17th, 2013. Today Daddy had a conversion at work over to Fiserv. It was a big day. Was it a big day for you too, Kira?
Yes.
What did you do?
I went to Rachel's house.
To Rachel's house. Oh, what did you do there?
Take the nap.
Took a nap. Oh, wow, that's a big day. What are you doing, Lainey? Can you bring the shoes back? Did you have a big day, Lainey? Oh, thank you. Hey, Lainey. I just have a couple questions for you, Lainey. Hey, Lainey. First of all, what's a cat say?
Meow.
Okay. And
What was that again, Lainey? What's a cat say? What's a cat say?
Moo.
Lainey, here.
Moo.
Lainey, show me your tongue.
Wait, show Daddy your tongue.
Say it again.
Lainey, where's your tongue at?
Meow. Meow.
You want those shoes on? Okay, sit on my lap.
You're gonna read story. Is it story time?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Story time. Is that the book? Here, let me show this to Lainey and see. Lainey, this is a mirror here. We're gonna look at. Lainey, who is that?
Who is that, baby?
Baby.
Baby Lainey? Is that baby Lainey?
Can I look at myself?
Hold on just a second. Who is that baby? Hey, Lainey. She's more...
She's interested in these shoes now.
Yeah.
Kira, can you tell me what your favorite thing to do is?
Go and see the animals at the zoo.
That is your favorite, isn't it?
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the giraffes.
Why do you like the giraffes?
Because they have long necks.
Oh, yeah, that's cool, isn't it?
Oh, do you know what? And also, I'll show you my zoo dress. Here's my zoo dress.
Oh, that's a zoo dress, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Kira, what's your favorite Bible story?
My Bible.
Well, yeah, what's your favorite story in the Bible?
Jonah and the whale.
Oh, you like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you like that one?
Because it has the whale.
Oh, you like the whale.
Mm-hmm.
What happened after... Why did Jonah get swallowed by the whale?
Because he didn't listen.
He didn't listen? Yeah. But God gave him a second chance, didn't he? Yeah, it's a good idea. Don't pick your nose with a camera.
Don't pick your nose, Kira. That's disgusting.
Gross.
Princesses don't pick their nose. Yuck, yuck. Can you tell the camera good night?
Good night, camera.
Lainey, can you say bye-bye?
Bye. Bye.
You wave?
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Love you. All right. Signing out.
Bye.